Hello everyone, welcome to Simi Foundation. Today we start the lesson 12. We differentiate the sum following function which inform the inverse. Sin inverse 2x, cos inverse x square, cos inverse 2x plus 3, sin inverse root under x, tan inverse x by 2. First of all, integrate first question dy by dx. If we suppose y is equal to be sin inverse 2x, then dy by dx is equal to be d sin inverse 2x. Now let z is equal to be 2x, then dz by dx is equal to be 2. Therefore, this function we just differentiate with respect to dy by dz. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, we can write dy by dz and dz by dx. By dz sin inverse z into dz by dx value is this one. Therefore, you just write 2. Then we can write 2 into 1 by root under 1 minus x square, or here is the z square. Put value of z, then 2 into root under 1 minus for the z square, we suppose that the z square is equal to 2x. So we can write 2x square or 2 by root under 1 minus 4x square. Go on the second problem number 2. Problem second is cos inverse x square. Dy is equal to be cos inverse x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, we can write 1 by, here is the cos, therefore minus root under 1 minus x square and 2x. Therefore we can write minus 2x root under 1 minus x to the power 4. This is the answer. Value of dy by dx. Third question is, we have to differentiate cos inverse 2x plus 3. Suppose y is equal to be cos inverse 2x plus 3, then dy by dx is equal to be minus 1 root under 1 minus 2x plus 3 square into 2. Therefore we can write minus 2 root under 1 minus 2x plus 3 whole square. This is the answer of dy by dx of given function or differentiation of given function. Question number 4. We have to differentiate sine inverse root under x. Suppose y is equal to be sine inverse root under x, then dy by dx is equal to be 1 by root under x square. Therefore 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2, and we can write 1 by root under 1 minus x into 1 by 2 into x. Therefore 1 by 2 into x dy by dx tan inverse x by 2. Question number 5. Y is equal to be tan inverse x by 2. Then dy by dx is equal to be 1 plus x by 2 whole square into 1 by 2, or dy by dx is equal to be 2 into 1 plus x square by 4. Here is the 2, here is the 1. Here is the 1. Therefore 1 by 2 plus x square divided by 2, or we can write 2 divided by 4 plus x square. Thank you.